Hey everybody, what I'm about to do is I'm about to make me some fried pickles. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to put the pickles, of course, on some paper towels. You want to dry them up, and take an additional paper towel. You want to blot them as dry as possible. Flip them over and continue the process. For the egg wash, this is what I like. I have 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, a teaspoon of Hawaiian pink salt. Then I have 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 3 dashes of Tabasco sauce and some garlic juice. I had some minced garlic and I just poured a little bit of the juice in there. What you want to do is you want to whip this up real good. And as I'm whipping this up, I'll tell you what I have right here. Right here I have some all-purpose flour, and I had some Jiffy mix. And then I put this little brown spot right here. That is garlic. This is the Hawaiian pink salt, and that's black pepper. And for my dipping sauce, what I like to use, some chef's gonna kill me, but I make a a markdown aioli. Basically, what this is mayonnaise, some grain mustard, spicy grain mustard, and a little bit of the garlic juice in there also too. So my egg wash, I'm just beating this up. All right. And then when you want to beat that up very, very well. And then with the mix, you just want to stir this all together. Just making sure I got it all together, mixed up. And it's just basically your typical breading. This is not going to be a 3-step, guys. This is just going to be a 2-step. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my pickle, dip it in here, and then dip it in here like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of flour on the plate, because what I'm going to do after I dip these, I'm going to put these in the freezer to just let them dry up a little bit more. So I'm going to do all of my pickles, and then I'm just going to fry them up, and we're going to see how they come out. Okay, so now that I have all of these battered up, I'm going to pop these in the freezer for a good, I'd say like 5 minutes, just so they can seize up a little bit. And then while that's getting my grease hot and ready, we'll just run over there and we'll get started. Okay, I have my oil nice and ready, and I'm ready to add my fried pickles. Well, my pickles in. Just drop them right in there. And these go up pretty fast too, guys. Turn my heat down a little bit. So you want to cook them at least about, say about 40 seconds to a minute on each side. Just until they golden brown. Then also have you some paper towels and your sheet tray ready. And I want to cook them like this because I don't want the pickles to get too soggy. I want them nice and crunchy. So this is what we're looking for right here on both sides. Give you a nice little flavor. I'm going to do my next batch. This should be sum it up. Oh, let me give you a little tip. When I lay these down, I lay them down and I put them in the grease and I push away from my body. If you push it towards you, of course the grease will flash on you. So that's a little cooking tip from you guys frying chicken or whatever. So always drop the meat or whatever you're cooking away from you. In this case, I'm cooking pickles. So I'm not scared of the heat, so it doesn't bother me too much. And never drop it, just let it go. Alright. Almost ready. Okay, start taking them out. Go a little bit longer. Okay. Okay, now with my dipping sauce, all you want to do is just stir this up, mix this all together. And then all you got to do is dip it and enjoy.